gonna do a little pull here, okay? Now what you'll feel is me do a little tug and then a wiggle, okay?
Okay.
I'll have you take a nice deep breath in and out. And one more time. All the way out. Just go ahead and point your toes down.
Oh, that felt good.
So get a good release on that.
Yes.
Relax the foot for me as well. Relax it. Very good. Just gonna go pull towards me. Same thing here, just relax it. Just relax the leg. Same thing here, okay? Very good. So I want you to just, I'm gonna place my hands between your knees, and I want you to squeeze your knees together for me as hard as you can. Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead. Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
Awesome. Ease up. So go ahead and tuck your chin down for me, and do a little sit up towards me, and all the way back down. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good release there. Feel good?
Yes.
So I want you to give yourself a hug.
This?
Yep, just like that. So I'm gonna come right behind you. Go ahead, take a nice deep breath in, all the way out, move back towards me. Very good. You just come in here, just relax that shoulder there. And drop the head to the left. Wow. That was a big release.